My name is Paul Roberts, and this is my good friend,
Brandon Scriber.
and we are the how, the what, the why, the when. He's the how and the what. I'm the why and the when. And we're going to build this off of 4 pillars: being physically fit, mentally, spiritually, and financially fit. I can tell you this: if we can help you become physically fit, mentally fit, spiritually fit, the financial's easy. I've been teaching this for 20 years, and people are always taken back by the financial's the hardest. No, you get those 3 in place, and I promise you, the 4th one just happens. It's cool.
No, I believe it too. I mean, we spoke to one of our colleagues yesterday as well, and he had the same mantra, and we didn't even prompt him. So that kind of solidified what we're trying to do here. Yes, we're going to help you build your business, but more importantly, we're going to help you build you, and everything else falls in line.
We will give you an unfair advantage because everything that we have put in place, from video scripts to buying and selling and all that, and that stuff up in here, because you got to be mentally prepared. Because you're an icon producer. He's the baddest of the best when it comes to producers and transactions at EXP. No one's better. But you yourself have had one day where 2, maybe even 3, I don't know, of your listings fell apart or a transaction fell apart. Well, like, what's the most, 2 or 3? Or
Oh no, it was 3 in one day in a span of 2 hours. And actually, I was at my rental property too, and the people who were supposed to schedule to show up did not show up. So I wasted a whole day there panicking in my own rental home with no Wi-Fi. It was tough, but you just get through it, right? You feel sorry for yourself a little bit and just pick yourself back up and go again. But yeah, to answer your question, man, it wasn't a fun day in real estate. I'll say that for sure. Most days were fun, but yeah, I like to forget about that sometimes.
But we can mentally prepare you. We're going to give you the unfair advantage because he's been through it. I've been through devastation. How do you get through that? See, people that are successful, here's the bottom line, is they know how to go from failure to failure to failure and succeed. No kidding. Others will run away and disappear, but the ones that are successful just stayed long enough. They didn't quit. They fought just hard enough to get over that hurdle. So you had 3 in one day.
Yeah, 3 in one day.
So you got to be mentally right for that, because you got to know that that's coming.
Yeah.
Because it's going to happen.
Yes.
Especially as busy as you are.
Yes, and no, on our podcast, but webinar yesterday or 2 days ago, John Saw, he said something very profound. I think it was by Neville. It's like, something that you lose will always be replaced by something greater, something along the lines of that. And I preached that to my team as well. You're going to lose some things, but something behind there, it's yours. It's just waiting for you. So some doors close for better doors to open, and I believe that's very true. And it's also, I believe it, and it happens.
Yeah, absolutely. So our mission, we're completely just honed in on making you mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially fit. We want to empower you. I don't want to build with a bunch of people and they need me. I never want you to need us. I want you to want to be here, okay? Because when you want to be here, you will perform at a much greater level. If you're with an organization right now and you need them, that's not ideal for you. You're not performing at the best you can perform. And what Brandon and I have put together in our series of videos, from scripts to everything, and teaching you how to do this, I believe, again, we're giving you the unfair advantage. And what's the saying? Anybody can win a race if they get a
head start.
Head start, yeah. So we're going to give you a head start, okay? We're going to give you a head start so you can finish the race and come in first place.
Yes, I mean, Paul, you've sold your insurance business for multi-millions. Like, why are you starting over again? Like, some people will say, hey, I reached the end game, but you're like, no, man, I'm going right back in line and doing it again. So why are you doing this?
It really hit me like a ton of bricks when my business partner, Carolyn, and I were out doing a neighborhood, and we were putting flyers on the doors, and I was sweating to death. And I was like, just like a year ago, I was in a private jet.
Yeah.
And they were asking me to buy my company, and I'm out here, but then I kept doing it. And I said, this is fun. This is what I did in the beginning to build the other company. So really, why am I doing it? The kind of the quick, shallow version is, I just want to see if I can do it again.
Yeah.
I just want to know, did I get lucky the first time?
Yeah.
Let's see, let's just see. I'm just curious, I think you're this way too. I'll break a record of mine, I break a goal of mine, and I'm like, I don't know if I really broke it. Something's not right. I need to really break the goal. I do that when I'm running. I ran my first half marathon under 1 hour and 50 minutes, and it was 1:49:49. 1 hour, 49 minutes and 49 seconds. And I was like, that's just not far enough. I gotta break 150 way bigger than that. That's my new passion. So really, I just wanted to prove that I could do it again. That's the quick version. The real reason, though, is just I have to be around some activity of something. I can't just go off into retirement and do stuff by myself. I love being around people. I love watching people grow.
Yeah.
It's one of the greatest joys in the world is to watch the light bulbs go off in someone's head of, I can do it, you know?
Yeah.
And when you see that happen to them, it drives you and it gives your life purpose. And that's the deeper reason is the purpose. You know, one of the purposes for me is I want a stage where I'm successful to where I can tell people I'm a recovered alcoholic. I want to help people. I want to help people with this nasty addiction, whatever that is. It doesn't have to be alcohol, it can be anything. I've helped people quit smoking cigarettes, tons of stuff. And I shouldn't say I helped them. I told them my story and they did it. So for me, it's just, if I don't do something, I don't think I'm going to live much longer.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, at first when we got bought, this is my thought process. This is going to be cool. I'm just going to sign up for every marathon in every state, and I'm just going to be a marathon junkie. I'm just going to run marathons. I'm going to be out there grinding it out by myself. Yeah. And, you know, the first like couple of 20-mile runs I did, I was like, I don't want to do this the rest of my life. I love it. I'm having fun, but yeah, I'm a little lonely out here. And man, I just wanted people. I met my tribe with you guys, and that's why.
Appreciate it, man. Let's go.